What's up guys, it's Carabella, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a full body workout. I would say this is more of an intermediate workout, so go ahead and follow along if you can, and let's get into the video. For the first workout, we're going to be doing jumping jack squats. So what that looks like is this and down. Super straightforward. Squat when you go down, when you come up, bring your arms up. So we're going to be doing 3 sets of 20. Go ahead and follow along whenever you're ready. Go ahead and take a 10-second break, and then we have set 2. Next exercise is called the plank row. You're going to be planking upward and bringing your arms up and up. We're going to do 3 sets of 15. So whenever you guys are ready, let's go ahead and get started. Give yourself a 10-second break. If you guys have one of these, like, I don't know, windbreaker texture type shirts or jackets, I highly recommend wearing one when you work out. You sweat like a pig, like literally my body is like drenched under this thing. It's just like a trash bag, it doesn't breathe. So if you're really trying to shed like water weight, or you're bloated and you have a date or something like that, work out before, like the day before, in one of these like plastic outfits. Yo, I'm telling you, you'll be good to go. Literally, it's sticking to me. It's just crazy. Good shit. We're done with that one. This next workout is called the oblique crunch variation. It's gonna be really easy, trust me. We're doing 3 sets of 10. What we're gonna do is get back on all 4s like we just were, and you're gonna kick in 1, 2, and then you're gonna kick side. 1, 2. So that's 1. We're gonna do 3 sets of 10. Go ahead and follow along whenever you're ready. last workout is a lunge jump variation. What you're gonna do is you're going to lunge, jump, bring your leg up. Lunge, jump, bring your leg up. If that makes sense. One more time. Back it up so you guys don't get my leg confused with this here roller. Yeah, so lunge, back. We're gonna do that. Lunge back, jump, step forward. Lunge back, jump, step forward. Think that makes sense? We're gonna do 3 sets of 5 on each leg. So go ahead and follow along. If this is too complicated for you, just start in the lunge position already. Do the jump, bring your leg forward. You don't have to do the first step of taking your leg and putting it back because you might be confused. Who knows? Good shit, 10-second break, and then last set. Good shit, you guys. Good job. Good job, everyone. These workouts are a little bit challenging, so if you didn't get through them, it's okay. You can pause the video, go back, try again. No stress. If you guys like this workout, give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next workout. Bye.